Hello, my name is Dorcas. Welcome to my channel. On today's video, I want to explain to you how you can create a Facebook ad using your phone or your system within few minutes. You can use this means to generate links, to generate traffic to your businesses and whatever you're doing, a course you're selling online or a product you're selling online. So you can use this Facebook ad to get more results for your businesses and whatever you're doing. So we'll go right into it. Just make sure you follow these procedures and how you can minimize time or minimize your estimated time and budget for you to get more results. So what we're going to do now is to go to, you can do this straight from your phone. Just go to your when you log in your Facebook, you can see from here there's ad center, or you see where you can create ad. But then if you want to use the Meta Manager, ad manager, you can download the app on your phone. All you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store and download the app, log in your Facebook account, and then you can create. So we're going to create right straight from our Facebook. So we'll go to click on ad center. When you click on ad center, I've done some ad before. So if you want to create a new ad, so we'll go to this, you can see right here, create ad. So click on create ad. This is one option. They said get started with automated ad. That is, these ads are customized ads by Facebook. You can just go and they've already put in place for you. All you have to do is just click on them. Then this one, they say you should create new ad. This one is boost a post. Maybe you posted something before and then you want it to go get to more people. You can just boost the post and then boost an Instagram post. And another thing you should do when you're creating a Facebook ad, if you have an Instagram account, for your ad to go more viral, you have to link your Facebook ad, your Facebook to your Instagram page. So we're going to go into this. This is what we're doing today, how to create new ad. So click on create new ad. Okay, once that is done, so automatic, they say let Facebook select the most relevant goals based on your settings. This one is use a post. So going to scroll down, here's where you can write the description of what you want to post. This is the post you make. So we're going to change all this that are here. We're going to change all this, so right away. So what result would you like from this ad? They said, what result do you want? Let Facebook select the most relevant goal. If you don't want that, you can go here and click on change. So what do you want? What result do you want? Do you want to get more messages? Do you want more page likes? Do you want more call? Or you want more people to visit your website or get more leads? These are different things that here you go through the one you want. If it's a website you want them to go to, or you want them to like your page, whatever one you want, you're going to select that. So here I'm going to select get more messages. I'll select that and then save. Once that is saved, get message, then here is the description. You can write whatever you want to write about the ad. You can write it here. So I'm just going to write something, just brief thing. This just write an interesting description. You can learn something on copyright, and then you can do a nice job here. So once you're done with that, then you can scroll down. If this is the image you want, you can use this, or you can click on select media. You can select whatever image you want to use here. So let me just check this. So you can select from here. So I'm going to use this. And one thing you note, you can use multiple images or video. You can see it right here. You can add them. So you just select. So I'm just going to use this video for the purpose of this tutorial. So this is the, yeah, I want this headline. Yeah. So go on. Okay, here they say you should choose where you want people to message you. So if you want your message, where do you want your message? So I'll just click on these three: Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So I can get message on these three platforms. And this is a message template. If you want, you can turn it off and then edit. If you don't want, you can edit if you want it. Hi Divine Dorcas, please let us know how we can help you. Possible question: can I make a purchase? If you want, you can edit it to your line of business or line of interest. If you are selling something, yeah, can I make a purchase? Yeah, that is good for you. Or you're selling an ebook or a course that you're doing online. Just make sure you customize it to your area of business or whatever you're doing the ad for. That's that. So this is off. I don't want it. So if you want, you can turn it on. So I want my messages on these three apps. So selecting audience, who do you want to see this ad? One of the important thing about ad is the people that you want this message to get to before you can get leads or for you to get more traffic on your website. So we're going to choose our targeting. We're going to choose targeting. So we're going to click on this. So I'm going to click on this. If you want your targeting to be all gender, you can click on all. If you want it just men or just women, you can click on it. In case you're selling female clothes or male clothes, whatever you're doing, or you're doing a course, it has to be general. So location, I run some ad before, so I know where locations where my ads are more effective or brings more leads. So I'm going to type in some locations. I'm going to type in Abuja, this, and then Lagos, Nigeria. So these are the two areas I want for this targeting. If you want, you can add more. So for this, I'm going to detail targeting. I'm going to type website training, website training. Okay, website training is not here. Let me browse from sick. Interest. Okay, for this detailed targeting, I'm going to search for training. Okay, interest, this is it. I've got that. I'm going to add website. I'm going to add WordPress. So that is all for my that. So this is a good number of estimated audience that this ad is going to get to. So I'll just save my audience. Okay, the age, it's okay like that. The age, okay. So how long you want your ad to run. If you want your ad for 5 days, you can increase or decrease your ad, whatever you want. But if you want your ad to run continuously, you can just go ahead and click on run ad continuously. You can see it. But if you want an estimated date, for your ad to run, you can just click on the choose when this ad will end. So I'll just choose an estimated day. So I'll just make it 3 days. I want this ad to run for 3 days. So I'm going to increase this to 4 days. So I've increased it. So this is the estimated budget for that. For the 4 days, you can drag and reduce the amount and make it 600. Here 600 goes per day. Let me see if I can reduce it a little. 500 a day. It still works. So like that. And then placement, when you want your ad to be run. If you want your ad to be on Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. So I'm going to click on these 3 on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. So here is your method of payment. You can add the means of payment, or you can change that. So that is all. Once you're done, then you can click on promote now. But since I'm not interested in running this ad, this is just for tutorial. So go ahead and run your ad for your businesses and whatever you're doing. So if you like this video, like and comment. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell.